Google has transformed the way we access information, but its impact goes far beyond just search. Did you know that Google processes over 3.5 billion searches per day? That's roughly 40,000 searches every second. This immense volume is powered by complex algorithms that not only prioritize relevance but also learn from user behavior. Then there's Google's suite of tools like Google Drive and Docs, which have revolutionized collaboration. Imagine editing a document in real time with someone halfway across the world. And let's not forget about Google's advancements in AI, like Google Assistant, which is becoming increasingly intuitive, understanding context and even engaging in follow-up questions. Moreover, Google's commitment to open-source projects like TensorFlow has democratized access to machine learning, empowering developers everywhere. So, whether it's through search, productivity tools, or AI innovations, Google continues to shape our digital landscape in ways we often take for granted.